Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Guys, it is Vlogmas time, and it is Vlogmas day number 1. Oh, look what I got right here, guys. I got me some nice, good sweet potato biscuits. These things are absolutely delicious. Doesn't take long to come together. So let's jump into this video, and I'll show you exactly how I get it done. Alrighty guys, so here's my short list of ingredients right here. Got me some big sweet potatoes that I'm just gonna mash up. You want to use about 1.5 cups of mashed sweet potatoes. I got me some whole buttermilk, 2 sticks of unsalted butter, and inside of this bowl I have me a little sugar. That sugar is optional, and I have me 4 cups of self-rising flour. Okay guys, so what I did is just go ahead and got my butter down inside of here. I like to have my butter in nice little slivers just like this. I don't like breaking it up too fine like some people do. I think when you leave it in kind of chunks, it makes it much more softer, tender, fluffier biscuit. So once I got my butter mixed in, then I'm going to add my mashed sweet potatoes inside of here. Alright, and I didn't know if I wanted to use all of that at first, so I just added a little bit of it just to see where I was at with it. Alright, once I realized I could go ahead and get the rest of that inside of here. Like I said, you want to use about 1.5 cups of mashed sweet potatoes for this recipe. Now go ahead and get the rest of that mixed in just a little bit. Alright, once we have that mixed in, then I'm going to come in here and add my buttermilk to it, guys. You definitely want to use whole buttermilk with this. Nice cold butter, nice cold buttermilk. I'll have the exact recipe with measurements in the description of the video, so you don't have to try and play a guessing game, guys. I'll have all of that in the description. Make sure that this comes out nice and perfect for you. Alright, so once I got that buttermilk mixed in, I can tell it was still a little bit dry. So I'm going to come in here and I'm going to add just a little bit more. This is definitely going to give me the consistency that I want. You just want this to really come together, guys. You don't want it too loose and too runny. That's just going to cause you to have to add a bunch of flour at the end to try and get this the right consistency, and it's just going to throw the recipe off. So alright, so once I have that looking just like that, just coming together, I'm going to go ahead and get my surface nice and floured here. You want to have a nice clean surface to work on. Just add some flour down on the top. You can see I got my gloves because this flour gets all messy and all over the place. Alright, let's go ahead and get our biscuit dough down on the top of this. Get it nice and flattened out. Ready to get these biscuits cut out and in the oven. Alright, so we're going to start forming our dough right here, guys. I just want to bring it all together, get it nice and coated with that flour. Do not be afraid to add a little bit more flour to your surface if need be. I felt this was just a little bit still too wet, so come in and add a little bit more flour on the top of here. And I'm going to just start kind of folding this over on itself, building those nice layers so that we can just open this biscuits and add some butter to it if we would like, or some nice honey to it if you would like. I'm going to fold it over on itself a few times. And once we do that, then we're going to come in here with your biscuit cutter, or if you're old school like me, you're going to use a cup. And you just want to go straight down with these guys. Don't twist it. If you twist it, it is not going to rise the way that you want it to. So you just want to go straight down with it until it cuts through. And here I'm just flouring my glass so that it doesn't stick to it. Alright, so we're just going to go ahead and get some of this cut out. Now you could use much smaller glass or biscuit cutter, but I like nice big fluffy biscuits, so alright, so we're going to go ahead and get one more out of here. That's going to be 6 biscuits out of our first cut. Then all I'm going to do is come in with my cast iron pan here. I got me a lightly buttered cast iron pan right here. I don't know why I was moving so slow, but I just like to shake off the excess flour from the bottom of my biscuits. Then we're just going to line these up right next to each other, guys. Nice and snug so they get a nice rise on it. Just like that. So I just went on ahead and got the rest of those cut out and put in my pan. This is what we have right here. This is 10, and I still had a little dough left over. So this is going to go in the oven 400 degrees, guys, for about 20 to 25 minutes. Until the top gets nice and golden brown. And once we do that, it comes out looking just like this. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. Only thing I did was brush a little butter across the top, and I covered it with foil, let it sit for about 5 minutes so that steam made it nice and tender. Then I took my thumbnails and my videos, came back and gave this a nice taste test, some nice good sweet potato biscuits. Alright guys, I'll be back with the taste test. Alright guys, coming with a quick taste test. Got my sweet potato biscuits right here. Not gonna waste any time. Come in here and get this one. You can see a couple of them already missing. Pull that one out. Look at that. Okay, so you guys can see that. If we can get this thing to open up for us. Oh, that's nice. You know what I'm gonna do is add just a little butter to mine. Put a little cinnamon on it. And put a little honey on it. That don't look good. Okay, give it a taste. Man, that is so good. You could even add the cinnamon on the inside of that. That'll be even better, but this is fine. That biscuit is so light and fluffy. Perfect amount of sweet potato, perfect amount of sugar. Doesn't stand a chance. Alright guys, coming in with another little portion of my video right here. Me and my buddy Chef Jeffrey doing these advent calendars this year with assorted candies inside of it. And this is my Lent teddy bear advent candy calendar. And I already looked this thing over, and they don't have it numbered by the days, but they have it where you could just, you guys could see, just like little puzzle pieces, and you just take it open from here. So this is the first one right here, so I'm just gonna come in here and punch this open. I can get it out of here with these big old hands I got. See, there's your first little window right there. First little candy out. There's a little ball. I don't know what's in it, but we shall see. Let me see if I can unwrap this thing. They got this little thing wrapped tight. And I didn't steal it, I paid for it. Let me get it out. Okay, see, just a little small chocolate candy. And I'm gonna do like Chef Jeffrey did and cut it open to see what's on the inside of it. Hope I don't cut myself, because I am that clumsy person that would. Oh, nothing on the inside. It's just solid chocolate. See how it tastes. That's pretty good. Just a nice milk chocolate. Nothing on the inside of it. Oh, you know what it tastes like? Oh boy. And take y'all back. Remember those caramel candy? Stop chewing. But it was a caramel candy. Oh God, I can't remember the name of it. Oh, I'm drawing a brain cramp. But in any case, I'll put the name of it inside the comment section when I remember it. And I know you guys are gonna know exactly what I'm talking about, but it tastes just like that, but it doesn't have any caramel in it. But that's pretty good. These are the candies right here that I was talking about, guys. You guys remember these sugar daddy candies? That's exactly what that little candy tastes like. Alrighty guys, so these biscuits turned out absolutely wonderful. Guys, please check the recipe and give these a try. I really think you're gonna love them. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and leave a comment. And also please subscribe to the channel if you are new. And you can follow me on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, Twitch TV, and on Pinterest, Cooking and Chilling with Kenny. And I will see you guys in the next video. Don't forget the hashtag, guys. This will be a blessing to someone. Peace. Vlogmas Day #1 is in the books.